officials, all the staff present here. Today, on this occasion of Independence Day, we are celebrating it. We are having a very small function, a small just a flag hoisting, and you know that we got our independence on 15th of August 1947. Our freedom fighters have struggled for this right from 1857, and today again we are fighting a war. We are fighting against Corona. So we are on this auspicious occasion. We are felicitating all the fighters of this Corona who have worked very hard, who have toiled for working against this disease, against this pandemic. There are health officials, there are policemen, there is staff from the administration. All of them have worked very hard, and just as a token of appreciation, today we will felicitate all those people who have worked for this. We have to keep our patience and keep working just as the freedom fighters worked till we got the freedom. So here also again we have to work very hard, and I believe that all of us will work very hard and make our country and our state corona free, and definitely that day will come. Once again, I thank you all.